In today's video I decided to film a very soft glam makeup tutorial. If you like this look then please keep watching. So the first thing I am doing today is my foundation. I have already prepped my skin by just moisturising it. I never really use primer. I just buffed that in with my foundation brush first, and then I'm going over it with a beauty blender because I prefer the way that the beauty blender looks over a brush. I'm then going to conceal under my eyes using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to blend that in using a beauty blender. I'm going to set my face using my Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder on a big fluffy brush. I'm then taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder to bake under the eyes. The next thing I'm doing is my eyebrows, and I'm just taking my Benefit Brow Gel to fill these in. So next I'm just carving out my eyebrows using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer on a flat brush. I'm also taking this concealer all over my eye to use as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm just setting that concealer down using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. So now I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow, and for Christmas my sister bought me this Imogenation palette and honestly I cannot put it down. I've been using it every day. The only eyeshadow colours I'm going to take today is these two colours here, and I'm just going to mix them together on this big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to put that into my crease using windshield wiper motions. I'm just taking my time with this, using very soft strokes. I just keep dipping back in to add more product and then tapping off the excess to build up the eyeshadow as much as I want. I'm then going to take this very precise brush and taking the same two colours, just running it along to create like a sharp edge. I'm also taking the same two colours on the same brush to run under my eye. To make that eyeshadow a bit sharper, I'm just going to run some of my Laura Mercier translucent powder under where I have put my eyeshadow, just to try create a sharper line. To highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm taking the shade called Angel on a little fluffy brush. I'm just packing that into my inner corner. Very gently sweeping it underneath my brow. Another thing I got for Christmas was this Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, and it is the best mascara I have ever used. It's so good. Something I like to do when I'm just using mascara is taking a wand from an empty mascara just to run through, and it helps separate the lashes so they don't look as clumpy, because I absolutely hate clumpy lashes. Just taking a bit on my bottom lashes as well. I've now finished my eyes, which are very minimal for me, and I'm going to finish my face, starting with contouring from my W7 Shape Your Face kit. I'm taking this like flat contour brush in the darkest shade out of the palette. I'm just taking that from like the top of my ear and down. If you're new to contour, just take the tiniest bit at a time and slowly build it up. And even though it will take a while, it's better than having a muddy face. Then to bronze my face, I'm just taking, oh no, the brush is wet. We fixed it. Ooh. I'm just taking my Too Faced Milk Chocolate bronzer to bronze up my face with. I'm going to go quite heavy with this bronzer today because I am super pale, but I want to look glam. I'm just going to run some translucent powder under where I have contoured to our cheekbones look nice and sharp. And then I'm wiping that off with a big fluffy brush. So even though I never wear blush, today I'm going to. I am taking the blush from the Urban Decay Naked Flushed palette. I'm just going to take a tiny bit and just very gently pop some of that on. The lighting is absolutely horrible today, it's so dark. For my highlighter today, I am going in with my Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Vanilla Quartz. Looks like this. To line my lips with, I am taking my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Exposed. I'm then taking this nude liquid lipstick from Stila. Said Stila really weird there. Then the last thing I'm going to add to this look is my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, so this will stay on all day. So this is my finished makeup look, and the eyes are actually very natural for me because I usually go for something a bit more. But I'm actually loving the way it looks, so I'm probably going to do this look more often. I would highly recommend buying the Imogenation palette. It is so good and I can't stop reaching for it. I hope you guys like this look, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.